On the bottom line front, it has been a decent set of numbers for Cairn India. Q4 profits stand at 3,035 crore rupees. So that has somewhat surpassed what the street was expecting. 2,873 crores is what the ET Now poll suggested. On a sequential basis, it has been an impressive set of numbers. This is a corresponding figure last quarter was 2,884 crore rupees. When it comes to the top line growth, the ET Now poll suggested 4,992. It's come in at 5,049 crore rupees, so marginally above what we were expecting this time around. So a fairly good set of numbers all in all from Cairn India. Now remember, in terms of the realizations, that's also something that we'll be watching out for. We were expecting close to $96 per barrel. And it was the other income component. I think we'll be waiting for those details as well, because that will also shed light on give us a better detail of the earnings this time around. It was expected to be higher this time around on account of the higher cash balance. And we were expecting that on account of the way the rupee is also panned out, that you would see a forex hit. Something like 300 crores is what we were expecting. So let's just wait and watch as to whether we have more details on the same. In terms of the commentary from the management, what we'll be keenly watching out for is on the reserve upgrades. But we've got Ajay standing by from our research desk to give us all of the details on the numbers at hand. Ajay.
Well, Avan, I think the most juicy part of the number is the 6.5 rupees a share dividend. That is interesting because a lot of investors were expecting a healthy dividend. So that is, taken care of from the management. On the net profit front, barely in line is what I would say. Just about 150 or 130 crores higher than what we were estimating. So it's around 5% sequential higher. We were expecting around 2% or that thereabouts. So in line with estimates, other income component should be important. They should be able to, around 2,000 crore is what the other income component should be there. But apart from the other income or net profit or sales, this time round, what will really be impacting the stock price going forward will actually be in the analyst meet, which will be there in 1 hour from now, because around 2 lakh barrels is what they had clocked or hit as far as the production volume was concerned in the fourth quarter. What kind of guidance does the management give on production volumes in fiscal 15, which is a new year going ahead? This is being the fourth quarter, is something what the stock performance will hinge on. Apart from that, there was also expectation of a reserve upgrade, whether that happens or not, because today there was a massive cut in the stock price. Some profit taking was seen from institutional side on some buzz on the street that probably a big reserve upgrade may not come through. But for now, it should only the numbers, if you look at them, they are just barely in line.